This is the brief on adaptive grazing and soil health. So, picture a pasture cutaway. Moving livestock strategically around the surface isn't just about feeding animals, it's a literal jumpstart for a massive, invisible ecosystem hidden right beneath their hooves. First, we've got to look down, way down, into the soil food web. When an animal grazes, it signals the plant to pump liquid sugars, called root exudates, into the dirt. This wakes up a subterranean workforce of microbes and microscopic worms called nematodes. They devour the sugars and cycle nitrogen and carbon back to the plant. It's kind of like an underground barter system where the plant basically tips the microbes in sugar to get premium nutrient service. Second, to trigger this feeding frenzy, farmers use adaptive multi-paddock, or mob grazing. You pack a high density of animals into a tiny space for just a few hours, then move them away so the land rests and regrows for 3 to 6 months. Wait, why not just let them roam free? Well, if animals linger, they eat plants faster than they can grow, exhausting the roots and ruining the soil. Finally, because those microbes are thriving, the big picture results are massive. This fast-paced rotation builds organic matter, turning dirt into a resilient sponge that holds water, resists severe droughts, and actively stores carbon. It's ironic, right? We often hear cattle are bad for the environment, but when managed as a rotating mob that mimics nature, they actually become a crucial tool for climate resilience. Ultimately, managing the visible herd above ground is the absolute best way to feed the invisible herd below.